Mbadiwe, my answer to your request is no. No. You cannot go and make inquiry about Ibuka's proposed wife when I am still here, alive and very strong. No. I will send who I choose.
Okay, there is no problem about that. It's all right. Now, can you now answer my own question?
And that is?
The reason you hate Ukachi and her son. Beautiful souls.
Mbadiwe, I do not hate Ukachi and her son, but I hate the lies behind them.
What lies are you talking about?
Use your tongue and count your teeth. You're an elder, Mbadiwe. You're an elder.
I still don't understand what you are saying.
Ah. One. So you have forgotten, or you're pretending to forget, that Ukachi was the woman you originally wanted to marry. Yes, Ukachi was your lover. She was your lover before my father asked me to marry her. She was your lover before my father asked me to marry her, to fulfill the rights of me becoming Igwe in waiting. I had no maiden as at then, so he asked you to leave her for me. His reason was Ukachi was a strong woman, a wise woman who would be able to control me, to control my excesses. And that is exactly what Ukachi has been doing since he came into this compound, trying to control me. Me, Agune Jemba. Mbano.
Igwe, your wife and I were never lovers. We are not lovers. I met her during the period her father was treating me of a severe stomach pain. And then we became fond of each other. That is all. Nothing more than that.
Mau. So how come Ukachi knows and respects you more as her husband, more than myself? How come? Every little thing. Hey, Mbadiwe said this. Hey, Mbadiwe said that. Da! Are you talking to a child? Are you talking to a child? Mbadiwe, let me tell you something. I am fully convinced that you are the father of that boy, Ibuka, not me. Yes. I must have married Ukachi with your seeds already inside her before Ibuka was born. And now you want me to crown your son, Igwe in waiting, instead of my own son that I begot by myself. Da! Omame! Omame!
Nadozie!
Mbadiwe!
Nadozie!
Mbadiwe! Ogini?
How can you harbor such abomination in your heart all these years? How?
And how could you commit such atrocity? Such atrocity that denied me the joy of marriage in my own home. How could you?
Your Majesty, this fire you are stoking, I want to assure you that you will never be able to withstand the flame when time comes.
Is that a threat? No. Is that a threat? Mbadiwe, you are my uncle, and you're also royalty. But if you threaten me, I treat you like a rebel and put you where you belong. And listen to me. If I hear about this discussion anywhere else, I will know that it leaked from you, and there will be consequences.
How can you accuse me falsely and you deny me the opportunity of defending myself? You are a terrible person.
Whatever. He is ready to swear by any oracle. I thought he would be apologizing and kneeling down. He's ready to swear.
Hi.
You're here.
Ne,
Amanda.
you wanted to see me?
Sit down. I called you. You have to be getting ready to choose a maiden for marriage.
Married? Ibuka is not married yet.
Is something wrong with you? Have I not warned you to stop discussing Ibuka when I'm discussing your well-being?
Ne, I'm sorry, but you took me by surprise.
People do not stay on the queue to get married. My younger brother got married before my elder brother, and our custom does not forbid it. As you can see, Ibuka is not prepared to get married. He's still busy choosing from one maiden to the other.
But he's...
Always listen. Nobody can love you in this whole world like your mother. Let me remind you, you are king in waiting. Ibuka is not your brother, but your rival. Watch out. Anything can happen. Makamagindi Aneze. That is your name. Do you understand?
Ne, I understand you well. I understand.
Now, do you have any maiden in mind?
No, you just told me about it.
Don't worry. I'm looking out for a girl that will love you the way I love the girl. Not a girl that will endanger your life the way Ukachi is to the Igwe. If I had not come into this household, Ukachi would have finished the Igwe by now. But the gods of our land will not allow it.
You say... Ne, thank you. You are the best mother in this world.
No one but me.
Nobody.
The chosen
Nobody.
wife. Oh.
Name.
Hey! Adamo!
Good to see you.
My dear.
I was going to Afachi market, so I decided to stop by and greet everybody.
Oh, Imeka. And you are looking good. Your husband is treating you well.
Yes, so see that man? He is very hardworking. And he takes good care of me too.
Does he have a choice? You think it's easy to marry Igwe's daughter?
He knew I was coming over to this place, so he gave me this for you.
Yay! Okaga. Wonderful in-law. This is nice.
Yes.
That reminds me. When will I come for Omugo? What are you people still waiting for?
Just be patient. Very soon.
Okay.
And you will be the first to know. You're my mother.
Hey! Ngwano. Have you greeted Igwe?
Yes, so he was the first person I met immediately I entered. But I need to see Okachi before I leave.
What for? Why do you want to see that woman?
Okachi is a good woman and she hasn't done anything wrong to you.
So I'm the bad woman?
I never said so.
Just go where you were going to. Don't annoy me this morning.
No.
When you get home, greet your husband for me.
God, he will hear.
Nabo. You are still so naive. This girl does not understand what family politics is.
My king.
Hello.
There is a matter I have come to discuss with you. The matter is so disturbing that it's sounding a note of danger in the entire land, my king.
Oh no. What could be so disturbing? What is the matter?
Thank you, my king. Igwe. I heard that you are revered king. Igwe Agune Chamber 1 of Umukabia. Yeah. That you decided to bypass your own first son, Prince Ibuka, and instead crown his younger brother Amandi Aneze king in waiting. My king, the rumor is so strong, so disturbing, because I know that you are the custodian of our people's customs and traditions. I know you know that no Ichie in the entire kingdom
will agree to subscribe to such a situation. It is an anomaly. Besides, my king, I know you know that our gods will frown against such a thing. You know that the consequences will of course be very dire and grave. Hearing such a rumor, as your right-hand man, my king, I chose to come to you and find out the veracity or otherwise of the situation.
Oh no, hold your breath. What you just said now is very strange to me. Very strange. How could I, Agune Chemba, bypass my first son, my wonderful first son, Ibuka, and crown my second son, Amadi, king in waiting? No. There's no such thing. Whoever told you that, it is not just a fool, but a very wicked person. Very wicked person. Who is he, by the way? Who told you that?
Nobody in particular, my king. Just that the rumors are rife over the entire kingdom.
Oh no, we have to be careful. We have to be careful and we have to be vigilant. From what I can see, some people are trying to destabilize our kingdom with lies and propaganda. And we cannot fall for it. No, we should not.
Who be ruling Mala? Hey! Igwe! Agune Chemba! Dike Umukabia! Dike Umukabia Jemono! My mind is at rest now. Hey, asikwa onye ajuju a na-efu ụzọ. Ke mmadụ na-amaghị akọwakwori ahụ. Igwe, you have laid this matter to rest by clearing the air.
There is no truth whatsoever in that rumor. It is the handiwork of our detractors and the wicked elements in the kingdom. But when the time comes, I'll put them in their place.
Agune Chemba one.
Yeah.
Hey,
you did the right thing, no. There is nothing of such. It's not even possible. No. Without. What about this matter of Okala and his brother? Their case. You did not give me feedback on it.
I am sorry, Your Highness. You know, the issue of that rumor threw me off balance. But that is one of the reasons I actually came to see you, my king. You see, Okala. Okala came to me, pleading that I should help him beg you, the king, to allow him take the issue of his brother and himself back home to resolve it as a family matter. I told him, don't worry, I will tell the king.
That Okala is a foolish man. So he just realized that such matters should be settled in-house.
Yes, the man was busy.
Yes.
Puffing up. Neko. Now he's begging. Okala is now humble, my king.
Don't mind him. He is lucky. If he had continued with the matter here, I would have taught him a lesson.
Igwe got into the room, baby.
There were.
Igwe Odinobi.
Ayoyo.
Igwe Nanu.
Ayoyo.
Igwe Kaibe ya.
Ayoyo mo. Oge where? Ah, I forgot. I hope there's no problem.
Not exactly, Igwe. I have good news for you. I found a wife for Amande.
Oh, so fast.
Yes, Igwe. There is nothing to wait for. Since Ibuka is not ready to get married, let my son be crowned king in waiting.
That's all right. But my queen, who is the lucky maiden?
She's my friend's daughter from Uhuala. She's a very good girl. Omaka.
I trust your judgment. But my queen, we have to be careful and discreet about this matter. I don't want it to raise suspicions. Already some elders are beginning to ask questions. Even Ono, who came here the other day to ask me about the matter. But I just managed him.
What is their business in your family matter? I think you are being too soft on this Ndichie. You have not shown them your real power.
Not exactly so, my queen. You know, this whole plan was supposed to be a secret between us. But as it is now, for some reason, it is blowing up in the air. And it's making me uncomfortable. As the king, I am supposed to be seen to do things according to the customs and traditions of the land, not otherwise.
What custom? What tradition? You are the king. You are the custodian of the custom and tradition. Your word is the law, Igwe. Ha!
My queen, I want you to calm down on this matter. Calm down. Our people say when an object falls into the river, you do not search for it with your 2 feet. You start with 1 foot.
I don't understand.
I want to put on hold the plan to make Amande king in waiting. That is what I'm trying to say.
Igwe, are you going back on our arrangement?
I just said I want to suspend the plan for the moment. I want to think more deeply about it. That is what I've been trying to convey, but you don't seem to understand it. This is supposed to be a secret.
Igwe, Igwe, my son must be the king in waiting.
Let's just think.
Amande, you are my beloved brother. If there is a problem, let's talk about it.
Ibuka, is this why you called me out here? Eh? How am I avoiding you? Are you a masquerade?
Amande, you know what I am talking about. 3 times I have asked you to accompany me to places, and 3 times you have declined.
Because 3 times I was busy. I was busy like now I'm doing something inside, and you called me to talk about this. Ibuka, what is it? What is it?
Amande, this is not you. You and I used to be...
We used to be what? You and I used to be what? Ibuka, I will not tolerate this, your bullying and your arrogance. What is this? I am also a prince of this land. Just because you are the first one doesn't mean I'm going to be your houseboy. Leave me alone.
Amande, I never said... Amande. Obera ibum ga-egbu onwe ya. Obera ibum ga-egbu onwe ya. He who came to kill me shall kill himself.
What did you hear this time around?
That the prince, Ibuka, is getting married to Chinelo.
Chinelo. Which Chinelo?
That need my daughter.
Hey, are you serious?
The news is everywhere, although they have not even done the introduction.
Hey. So Chinelo is going to be a queen in the future. Well, I'm not surprised. Chinelo is a beautiful and well-behaved maiden.
Forget about beauty or behavior. Marriage is by luck. What the Chinelo has that I don't have? Take a good look at me. Mas raro.
Of course, you're very beautiful. Just bend down, let us finish this work before it's too late. It'll soon be dark. Continue.
I got you a gift. Specially made for you.
For me?
Yes, this is intrigue. A well-roasted grass cutter.
I love it.
Of course, I know it's your favorite.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. What about Nna?
Oh, she went to the market to sell some cocoyam that we harvested.
Oh, that is good to hear. You and your mother are so hardworking.
Not like we have a choice. My father is no more.
I understand. But Achalugo, do not worry yourself. Everything will be fine. Like I told you before, once my father does the needful, everything will fall in place.
I understand.
And I know some other men will be disturbing you by now for marriage, because you are such a beautiful and amazing maiden with a wonderful character.
Yes, they are coming. But my mother always tells them, no vacancy. One came the other day and was saying that his father is a great farmer, that I will never be hungry. But trust my mother. My mother told him that her daughter is already engaged to the prince of Umukabia. But then, he started begging my mother to introduce him to the prince so he could ask for assistance from the royal family. Can you imagine that? But trust my mother. My mother picked up a stick. He went all soya. Okay. He ran as fast as his legs could carry him.
Wait a minute. So if he had married you, he would use begging to feed you?
I don't know. Maybe. So funny.
Well, everything shall be fine, like I said before. Thank you so much for standing for me.
You're welcome.
Chinelo! Chinelo!
Nde, are you back?
No, I'm still there.
Nde, you're welcome.
No. I don't need your greetings. I need you to leave my husband's compound now!
Nne, what is the matter?
You don't know what the matter is. By the way, what are you doing here?
Nah, in Ajukwa. I came to see the love of my life. My wife to be.
You have come here to do something else, not to see my daughter.
Mother, what is the problem?
Before I unleash my anger on you. And you, Ibuka, are you sure you're truly the prince of Umukabia?
Yes, of course. I am Prince Chukwuebuka, the first son of Igwe Agunechemba of Umukabia Kingdom. Now, what is going on?
You're the prince, and you don't know what is happening in your household. What kind of a prince are you? I'm asking you. Your father, Igwe, has since sent some men who came here to tell me in clear language that he doesn't want to see my daughter or anyone from my family to step into the palace.
Nah. I think you're getting this all mixed up. Because as at yesterday, my father told me in clear terms that he has not decided on sending anyone to come to your place. How come you're saying this? Where is this coming from?
That means there's problem in that palace. Big problem. And you know my advice to you? Go and solve it. Instead of coming to give my daughter false hope and wasting her time.
Let's stop this. I am not giving Chinelo false hope. She is the one I want to marry. She is the love of my life.
Prince Ibuka, I am respecting you because you're the prince. Else, I would have shown you the other side of me. Silo, leave this place. You think I'm joking with you? I'm not going to leave him. Silo. You think I'm joking with you? What is it? What nonsense is it? Take! My daughter doesn't need it. Take it! Chinelo, come here. Come here. Come inside.
Mother, I don't understand what just happened.
Chinelo, what did you to understand? Digwe said he doesn't want to see people like us in his household. 2 useless men came here last Nkwamarket day. And they told me to keep my daughter away from the prince. That the king will not approve a marriage from such a peasant family.
Mother, why didn't you tell me about this?
Chinelo, I didn't want to break your heart. I wanted to do it gradually.
This cannot be happening. Something must be wrong somewhere.
Chinelo, nothing is wrong somewhere. Listen to me. Listen, Gemti. Apart from the king's nonsense, I have more reasons why you should not marry the prince. Yes, I heard the grandfather was a dangerous medicine man who killed at random. And that his mother inherited the wickedness from her father. You see, there is no way a snake will give birth to a short object. It is in the blood. And that is why after the Igwe's pronouncement, Prince Ibuka still came from behind to deceive you. Maybe he wants to violate and abandon you.
Mother, stop it! My Ibuka can never do anything like that.
Keep quiet.
Ibuka can never do anything like that. I know my Ibuka. He can't do anything like that.
Your Ibuka? Who is your Ibuka? Listen to me, Chinelo. From today, I don't want to hear that name in your mouth again. Ngwa, inside. Get inside.
No.
Why? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Maybe I have been too gentle. I have been too respectful. I have been too tolerant. All of this shall end today. You have gone to blackmail me. This is enough. If I'm not your son, tell me today.
Otumpulanya jisugo Otumpulu mamdiemono Abegi no mwamo Bia Kedoji sirapo mono wa Wena mamo
This is so strange. None of you knows where my son is. Even his mother does not know. She has locked herself in there since night and been crying. Also, are you telling me you guards did not see my son leave this compound yesterday?
Igwe, we saw him when he was leaving. But we did not know where he was going. He didn't even ask any of us to join him.
No. My son cannot be missing. My son cannot be missing in my own community. In a community that I reign supreme. It's not possible. Never. Never.
This is why it's wrong for anybody to go out without at least telling a member of this household where he's headed. My son cannot go out without at least telling me.
Yes. My brother is not lying. Igwe, I tell you everywhere I'm going to.
Oh.
So...
Say what you may. My son cannot be missing. It's not possible. Also,
my king,
you and Okute, prepare. You are going in search of my son. You will join Ikoro, who is already doing that. But you, both of you, will start from Nedima's house. I have a strong suspicion that something is going on around there. Go to Nedima's house, check, and then from there, proceed to Ohianko area. Search the entire nooks and cranny of Umukabia. My son cannot be missing. Hold it. On your way, stop over at Unowo's house. Tell him I want to see him immediately. It is an emergency. Go now.
Nedima,
greetings, guards of our king.
Nedima, the king has sent us to come and check if the prince is here. He went away from the palace since yesterday and we have been looking for him.
How is it my business? Does this place look like a palace?
Please answer the question. We have other places to go and search for him.
His mother came here dead in the night to wake my daughter and I for this same matter. And we told her we've not seen the prince in a long while. How come you people are here again for this same issue? I can see there is no unity in that palace.
That is not your concern, woman. Now be warned. Anyone who is found to be part of the prince's disappearance will be tied upside down at the edge of your forest. Be warned. Let us go.
Igwe, you have to calm your nerves, eh? Calm yourself, eh? You know young men. Maybe Prince Ibuka has gone to sow his wild oats somewhere. He will return. Don't worry.
Oh no, I know my son. Oh no. My son Ibuka is not a man who will go out of the line to do anything. That is why I'm so worried. Since yesterday.
Hey! He will return. He will return, my king. He will return. Yes. That is Ozo and Okude.
Igwe.
Yes.
Hey. This is what we found in the bush around Achara Junction. Someone said there was a shooting yesterday, so we decided to check. And then this was what we saw.
Open
Hey!
it. Open it.
Hey! This is a royal bead.
What is this? This is blooded now. Hey! This is the prince's bag.
Hey! Igwe, what is the meaning of this? That my son was shot? By who?
Hey! You mean you heard there was a shooting? And these belong to the prince? Without this blood, if this belongs to the prince, where is the body? Where is the body now?
Oh no, we followed the train of his blood until we could not see anything. We did not see his body, my king.
So what are you trying to say?
Hey.
His body cannot just disappear like that?
Maybe a hunter shot him and buried him, and some wild animals carried out his body.
Oh, damn it. Oh, no, how did you just jump to this conclusion immediately?
Have we not been complaining of some foreign hunters who have invaded our land in recent times? Only them can cause this havoc. They do not even know the terrain. They do not know the terrain. Have you forgotten about that leopard that has been parading in our community last year? Who knows? I have suggested we should form a strong response against those vagabonds who have been hanging around Amachara forest. But you people did not listen. I suggested it, you thought I was overreacting. That's happened.
Who thought you were overreacting?
You thought I was overreacting.
Well, then, wait. My king, what do we do? That is the question.
Hey! Miriam, the sun has set on me and on my people. Oh no, organize a more powerful search party to locate my son. My son cannot just disappear like that. No, never.
I will do as you have instructed, my king. Also, come, let us go. Come.
Let's go.
For days, I've been having these bad dreams that woke me up in the middle of the night. I never knew my son was the target. Who killed my son? Oyebulungwam. What did he do to deserve death? Ginekomelo. I knew they were after my son. Man, I never saw this coming. Afuramoka. I never knew it would be this way. Let me ask you, where are our ancestors? Where are the gods? The Megafano. They deprived me of peace and happiness in my marriage. And now, my son. Ovumulanya Jisugo. My only child. Is him Ebenagwa. Is him Nozugo. Ah! Is there anything I did in my last life that you are trying to revenge in this life? Is there any? Because they said Aboma who reincarnated in me was a good woman. Get in a messy. Get in a messy. Is it maybe like my sim knows to go? Ah! Obi Abawamu. Obi Abawapum.
It is alright. Leave it for the gods.
Ah! Ay! Okwe medi. Isim dia. Ogezi edi. Ay!
So Ibuka is gone.
It's okay.
It's not okay. It can't be okay. Ibuka is gone. I need to start going. I will come back and check up on you people.
Biko, what is my concern? You only came to see your preferred mother, not me. She has used her witchcraft to kill her son, and you are joining them to cry.
Nay, how can you be so insensitive? Your fellow woman lost a son, and this is all you can say.
You are still young and naive. Emotion does not take you anywhere in life.
I don't know what has gotten over you and Amande recently. We all used to live in this compound in peace and harmony. What happened?
I thought you said you have where you are going to. Ona. Jewezia nonne. Nonsense sympathizer. What does she know? Tell her to join her mother.
Chinelo, are you done peeling the cocoyam I asked you to peel?
Mother, I'm sorry. I forgot. I'm actually having headache.
Having headache? Why would you have headache? If you like, shed out tears. I mean, blood. Baby Taubara. Prince Ibuka is dead and gone. So there's no amount of crying and money that will bring him back to life. Let me advise you. Give chance to other suitors to come into your life. Chinelo.
Mother, I'm trying, but it's not easy for me. I cannot live without my Ibuka.
Oh, it's not easy for you. Kena Dirizi. Chinelo, you're not behaving like my child. You didn't make a woman, you're not behaving as the child of Abba and wine. Kena Berakwa. Prince Ibuka hadn't even married you yet before his death. If he had married you before he died, that means you commit suicide. You go on. Because stand up from there and go and do what I asked you to do. Never. Look at me. Nemanya, look at me. If I had behaved the way you're behaving now, when your father left us, Chinelongwa Sam, who would have catered for you? Stand up from there. Go and do what I asked you to do. I'm going to the market now. When I come back and you don't do what I asked you to do, then you answer my question when I come back. Stand up from there. I don't know what is wrong with these children. You are not
otu mkpụrụ anya ji chụgbo otu mkpụrụ nwa m ji eme ọnụ ebe gị nọ nwa m bịa kedu otu isi rapụ m n'ụwa wee naba mmụọ ebe gị nọ nwa m bịa ebe gị nọ nwa m bịa mama na-akpọ gị bịa zanụlọ okwu nwa m mama na-akpọ gị bịa zanụlọ okwu nwa m nne na-akpọ gị nwa bịa zanụlọ okwu nwa m bịa zanụlọ okwu nwa m bịa zanụlọ okwu nwa m anya mmiri ejugo m anya bịa zanụlọ okwu nwa m. They brought in your garment and bag, stained with blood.
Chinelo! Chinelo! Where are you going to?
What are you doing here? I want to...
Where are you going to? You told me you were going to Neka's house. Was that not what you told me? Is this the road to Neka's house? Anamajuk, is this the road? 2 days ago, you were supposed to go to Nkwo Market with me. You claimed that you were sick. Only for me to get to the house and notice that you were not at home the whole day. You better start talking. Today, I decided to set a trap for you. I decided to set this trap for you today. And look at you here. In a miari.
Please, don't stop me. I need to go. I need to go.
Where are you going to? If you don't tell me where you're going to now, you know why they come here, but why? Start talking!
Okay, Nne, I will tell you everything.
Tell me! Start talking!
But Nne, wait, I'm going to tell you everything. But please, let me first get to where I'm going to.
What? What the kids in maybe? I don't know. You better start talking! Come here!
Oh, Billy, be fast. The kind of things that are happening these days are frightening. If they can kill a whole prince, who are we?
Don't just put us inside the bag and walk away.
Hey, may the gods forbid.
I told you that marriage will not work again. How can ordinary Chino get married to a prince? I'm sure she must have used her juju to catch him, and now the juju has done the opposite.
What are you saying again?
I'm saying, after all the noise, that the prince is not married Chinelo.
Oh, Billy, are you listening to yourself? The whole community is bothered that the prince is dead. And all you could think of is Chinelo not marrying the prince.
Everyone has their own interest.
And this is your interest? I never knew you were this unreasonable and jealous.
Story. As if you two are not happy.
Happy about what? Happy about this? Oh, Billy. Now listen to me. From today, I do not want you to ever talk to me. I cannot have such a friend with an evil mind.
Otu mkpụrụ anya ji chụgbo otu mkpụrụ nwa m ji eme ọnụ ebe gị nọ nwa m bịa kedu otu isi rapụ m n'ụwa wee naba mmụọ ebe gị nọ nwa.
Oh no, you're welcome.
Thank you, my king.
Oh no, your king has not been a happy man. I have not been happy, but what has to be done has to be done. For 3 market weeks, my son Ibuka has been missing. Some of his royal apparels were found bloodied, which suggests that he was murdered by some unknown persons. Hi! Oh. We hoped we would have located his body after all this while with all the search party. With nothing. We did not find anything. So I invited you here to share my thoughts about the situation. I want to organize his funeral according to our custom and tradition.
Igwamaka, you have spoken well. Sad and painful as this is, we still have to do what we need to do. The prince belonged to all of us. He was greatly loved in this community. It is good we embark on this funeral so he can find rest, so he can journey well to be with our ancestors, lest we leave him to remain stuck in between two worlds, the land of the living and the land of the spirits. He will not be happy with us, my king.
You are correct, or no? You are correct. I am looking at the next Eke market day for the funeral.
That is good, my king. And I will convene a cabinet meeting tomorrow so I can discuss all these details with the others, my king.
Thank you, no. Thank you very much for your support. I appreciate it a lot. It is really a very difficult time for me.
I understand, my king. I understand. It is my responsibility as your right-hand man to stand up for you, even at times like this.
No, as you can see, we have dealt with him, but he is stubborn. He has refused to confess. We don't know who he is, we don't know who sent him, and we don't know his mission.
Hi. Motive.
Hi. You're welcome.
Igwe, you must talk. Yes, you must talk. Yes. Young man, who are you? Where did you come from? And what were you doing?